Hello YouTube, this is Ken Doctor 01 showing you how to refill your Zippo lighter and change the flint. So what you'll need is the Zippo lighter fluid, and you can just, like the flint, I don't have flint with me right now because I just have a piece of flint that I found, but you can buy Zippo fluid and flint dispensers at like Walmart or a grocery store. So I'm going to start with showing you how to replace the flint. So you get your Zippo and you open the top, so it's just like that. You get this little thing inside right there. Flip it up and you just pull it out. After you pull it out, see this little bolt thing? Yeah. So you just untwist that. Untwist. And then it pops open. Then you can just take this out. That is not the flint. FYI. That's not the flint. Then you go like that, and here we go, the flint. That's my flint. But yeah, my flint's still good. So I'm just gonna put it in there and just put that, and you just screw it in. It's kind of hard to screw it in. Screwing it in. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got some problems. Okay, so now that's all screwed in, that's how you change the flint. Okay. So for the lighter fluid, you're gonna want to be over a sink, so you don't like spill it everywhere. And then yeah. So you just get your Zippo, you put it upside down, grab your lighter fluid. It's hard to open. Okay. So once you get it open, you're gonna grab your Zippo, and you're gonna open this little tab, and you'll see these little cotton balls. So you're just gonna want to wet the cotton balls. You want to put it in a little bit, then let it just sit for a couple seconds. Then you just put some more in. Yeah, so once you know you put a good amount in, set aside that, then just close that little tab. Make sure it's in there good. Just because you have lighter fluid on your lighter doesn't matter at all. Like, it happens, no one cares. Because, yeah, so now you got all the lighter fluid in, and it doesn't really matter if your lighter has got fluid on it. Don't, like, well, yeah, never mind. So just grab it with your hand that doesn't have fluid on it. If you don't have a hand that doesn't have fluid on it, just use either hand. Just grab it, just put it right back in its case. Slide it in there real good. Just flip this tab down. And then, yeah. So you're going to want to set this aside now and just wash your hands off good. And after you've washed your hands off good, because if you don't wash your hands off, you're probably going to burn yourself, because you've done it before. Then you can just light it, and it should work. So that's how to fill your Zippo. Peace, YouTube.